Hi, I'm Jeff with Shaggy's, and I'm here today to show you how to assemble a personal sneeze guard for your desk. So it's going to come with 3 hinges, along with 3 or 4 panels to put it on. So this one's a 4 panel. This is our stock. You may have a 3 panel if you're if it was custom ordered. In that case, you'd only have 2 hinges. So the first thing I'm going to do is lay out how this is going to look. We're essentially going to have the curved pieces on the outside. That's for an elbow cutout. And then these are symmetrical, the middle pieces, so they can go on either side. And then we have to lay out our hinges. So if you look closely, come up here and you'll see that these hinges, on one side, there's a hinge and the other side is open. On a 4-panel unit, we need to have the 2 outsides the same, in the same orientation, like the hinge on the bottom. And in the middle, we have to go opposing so that it folds up flat. You can see this one's up, this one's down, this one's up. So they just have to be opposing. It doesn't matter which orientation you have it in. So we're gonna get this all laid out so we know exactly what to do. Then we're gonna get ready to work on our first piece. We have a soft cloth down on the table, so we're not gonna scratch up any of our acrylic plexiglass. And we're gonna go ahead and peel off some of the protective film. There's a lot of static that gets built up on this, so we don't worry about cleaning off the dust until we've got it all put together. So we're gonna get this peeled off. And how this hinge works is it presses right onto the edge. The hinge is 1/8 of an inch shorter than the panel. So you're gonna wanna leave about a 16th on each side. And you can just eyeball it. You just don't want it, it could even be sitting up a little bit. You don't want it further below. That's why I have the straight edge on the table, so I can line everything up nicely. So now what I'm gonna do to get this to go on easier, because it does require some force to put everything on, is I'm just gonna get a rag, nice and wet, just water, nothing else. I don't have any soap in there, just have water, getting the hinge in there. If you have a big pan and you can just leave these sitting in water, that's fantastic. And then I'm gonna just wet down everything, so everything slides in easier. Set that inside. Get this lined up, and I'm going to start from one end, push it on, then I'm going to rock it back and forth until it's all the way on. And then I'm going to come to this side, then I'm going to do the same thing, then go down the length. I'm going to get this put on. I can look down the edge, make sure that it's not bowed or crowned, and that's how you know it's on. You're gonna wanna make sure that the grippers, there's 3 layers of grippers, are all the way in. And then we just move right on to our next panel. straight. Now we have a portable desk sneeze guard. All assembled. Peel off the excess material. Now it's important to have a nice workstation where you're going to put this together. A big kitchen table is perfect. Conference table, meeting table, anything. Put a towel down, put something soft, easy. You have something to clamp to the edge of the table that's just an added bonus. So this is our portable folding sneeze guard. Goes from here way down. This full-size unit is 5.1 pounds. Has built-in grippers, easy to carry, folds down to just over an inch thick. This one is 13.5 inches wide. All the same concepts apply if you have a 3-panel folding unit, because you're going to not have the hinge in the middle. That's assembly.